Times are tough. Bills are piling up, and that paycheck? It never seems to stretch far enough. But what if I told you there's a way to earn extra cash without quitting your 9 to 5? In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 most profitable side hustles that can boost your income and transform your financial future. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because the last one could turn into a full-time business. Let's dive in. Number 1. The struggle is real. Why you need a side hustle. We've all felt it. Rising prices, unexpected expenses, and that constant feeling of being one emergency away from financial disaster. With inflation and economic uncertainty, relying on just one source of income is risky. That's why side hustles are no longer just an option, they're a necessity. The good news: there are endless ways to make extra money, and today, I'm breaking down the best ones for you. Number 2, unveiling the potential. Top 5 profitable side hustles. All right, let's get into the real money makers. These side hustles are not only profitable but also flexible, so you can start them in your free time. 1. Freelance writing. If you love writing, this is for you. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you earn anywhere from $50 to $500 per article. Content marketing is booming, and businesses need skilled writers. 2. Online teaching and tutoring. Got knowledge? Share it. Teach English, math, coding, or even music on platforms like VIP Kid or Teachable. Some tutors make over $5,000 a month. 3. Social media management. Brands are desperate for social media experts. If you know how to create engaging content, schedule posts, and grow a following, this could earn you 1,000 plazas per client every month. 4. Print on demand and Etsy store. No inventory, no hassle. Sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, and posters using platforms like Printful and Redbubble. Once set up, this can bring in passive income. 5. Affiliate marketing and blogging. Recommend products and earn commissions. Build a blog, promote items through Amazon Associates or share a sale, and watch the passive income roll in. Some bloggers make 6 figures a year. Number 3, getting started. Taking action to launch. Now, choosing the right side hustle is key. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What skills do you already have? Start small, gain experience, and build confidence. Quick action. Steps: set up a simple website or portfolio, create social media profiles to showcase your work, offer your services for free or at a discount to get testimonials. Join online communities and start networking. Number 4, overcoming challenges, navigating the side hustle journey. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Starting a side hustle isn't always easy. Time management, finding clients, and staying motivated can be tough. But here's how you can push through. Time management hacks. Use tools like Trello or Notion to stay organized. Set aside 1 to 2 hours a day dedicated to your side hustle. Finding clients. Use LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and freelancing platforms to get your first gigs. Staying motivated. Set small, achievable goals. Celebrate your wins and keep pushing forward. Number 5, building your side hustle empire. Scaling for success. Once your side hustle is up and running, it's time to level up. Scaling means more clients, higher rates, and even automation so you can make money while you sleep. Here's Unbidden. Raise your prices. As you gain experience, increase your rates. Expand services. Offer additional services or products to your existing audience. Automate and outsource. Use tools like ChatGPT for writing or hire a virtual assistant to handle admin tasks. Final thoughts. There you have it. 5 side hustles that can change your financial future. Which one are you going to start? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a money-making tip. Until next time, keep grinding, keep growing, and take control of your financial future. See you in the next video.